Starting with credit cards can feel overwhelming. APR, rewards, fees, approvals, it all seems complicated. The truth is beginners don't need a lot to get started. You just need the right card and the right habits. Today we'll break down the best credit cards for beginners in the United States and how to use them to build long-term credit. A credit card matters because it opens the door to credit history. Your credit score affects almost everything, from loans to getting a car to renting an apartment. If you build credit early and manage it well, life gets easier and cheaper. When choosing your first card, focus on 4 basics. No annual fee, solid rewards, easy approval for beginners, and fraud protection that keeps you safe. Forget about luxury perks for now. You want simple, reliable, and helpful. Rewards matter because they make everyday spending more valuable. Cashback rewards are usually best for beginners. Travel points are nice, but they're harder to use and often require higher credit scores. Cashback keeps things simple. One popular beginner card is the Chase Freedom Flex. No annual fee. Rotating 5% bonus categories. Flat rewards on everyday spending. If you're comfortable tracking categories, this card can pay out well over a year. The Freedom Flex also includes benefits like fraud protection and rental car coverage in certain cases. Approval is reasonable if you have some credit history, and the reward structure encourages learning how to spend smarter. Another favorite starter card is the Discover It Cashback card. No annual fee, beginner-friendly approval, and Discover matches all your cashback at the end of your first year. That match can double your rewards without any work. Discover also tends to approve people who are brand new to credit. They're known for working with students and first-time users. Discover's customer service is solid, and the app makes tracking rewards easy. If you want something extremely simple, the Capital One Quicksilver gives flat cashback on every purchase. No rotating categories. No tracking. Just one steady rate. For beginners who don't want to think about optimization, this is a clean choice. The Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards card is great for people who prefer flexibility. You can choose categories like gas, dining, or online shopping. If you already bank with them, you can earn even higher rewards through their loyalty program. But what if you have no credit at all? Or your score is low? That's where secured cards come in. With a secured card, you put down a deposit, and that deposit becomes your limit. You build credit by paying on time and keeping balances low. The Discover Secured and Capital One Secured cards are 2 popular picks. They report to all 3 credit bureaus. Once you show responsible behavior, you can upgrade to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. To build a strong score, 2 habits matter more than anything. Pay your bill on time and keep your utilization low. Utilization means how much of your credit limit you're using. If your limit is $500, try to stay under $150. A lot of beginners think rewards matter the most, but the real value is in the credit score you build. Good credit saves money on interest, lowers car payments, lowers insurance, and makes approvals easier. Be careful with fees and traps. Don't take cash advances. Don't carry high balances. Don't miss payments. And don't make minimum payments forever. Rewards are worthless if you're paying interest every month. After a year or 2 of responsible use, you'll unlock better cards. Travel cards, premium cashback cards, airport lounge perks, and big sign-up bonuses. But don't rush it. Credit is a long game. To recap, beginner cards should be simple, no annual fee, easy approval, and cashback focused. Build credit with on-time payments and low utilization. Skip debt, skip fees, and keep things clean. That's how you build a strong foundation for your financial future. If you're interested in learning more about credit cards, banking, and personal finance in the U.S., make sure to subscribe to the channel. We post helpful guides that make money and credit easier to understand.